Hey guys, we're doing team draw for mixed break. Random is live. It's 6:19:17 p.m. Melbourne time. Dice roll for names or participants. Use the correct terminology. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yoink. Teams. Roll 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Pelicans number 1. Look at that, Walt Jones. Random is complete. Walt Jones, Pelicans. Harikishan. Why did I do that? Harikishan, Jazz. Rob Webster, Nuggets. Nathaniel Brooks, Raptors. Adam Carter, Rockets. Adam Klimas, Warriors. Dale Edmonds, Thunder. Mick Fett, Pilak, Mavericks. Holland, Kings. Stashman, Bucks. Albie Chin, Hornets. Jaden Norris, Hawks. Mark Jones, Pacers. Matt White, Clippers. Dale with the Sixers. Matt White, Cavs. Garth Manning, Pistons. Millie Simic, Wizards. Alex Milan, Knicks. James Irvine, Blazers. Darren Gibbs, Magic. Harry Kishan, Grizz. Bartley, Celtics. Guildford, Heat. Klimas, Wolves. Thomas Pilak, Suns. Benjamin Wayne, Bulls. Jeffrey Elliott, Nets. Andrew Hunt, Spurs. And Timothy Price, Lakers. And that is the team draw.